In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Discord. Now, integrating these two platforms can be incredibly useful for automating event reminders and keeping your Discord community informed about upcoming events. So, let's dive in and make this connection seamless and effortless. First up, you'll need to head over to a website called Make. This is a nifty tool that allows you to create automated workflows between different apps and services. Once you've got the Make website open, look for the section labeled All Scenarios. This area is essentially a collection of all the different automated workflows you can set up. It's a kind of digital workspace where magic happens. Click on All Scenarios and let's create a new one. When you're looking at all of these options, don't feel overwhelmed. We're going to create a custom scenario tailored to your needs. So, find and click on Create Scenario. This is where the fun begins. You'll be prompted with various options to start building your automation. In this case, think of it as creating a bridge between your Google Calendar and Discord. Next, you're going to click on the plus sign to add your first module. This little plus sign is key. Think of it as the starting line for your workflow. Type Google Calendar into the search bar. Select it once it appears. Now that you've chosen Google Calendar, you'll want to pick an action. We're going to use the Watch Events feature. This is how you tell Make to pay attention to anything that happens on your Google Calendar. Once an event appears, Make will know to take action and share it with Discord. Don't forget to hit the save button to store your progress. Moving on, hit the next plus sign to add another module to your scenario. This time, search for Discord. Just like before, select Discord when it appears in the list. You'll want to choose List Guild Events from the options available. This enables Make to list and manage the events in your Discord server. Finally, click that save button one more time. By doing this, you're sealing the connection between Google Calendar and Discord. With everything set up, you're good to go. Remember that setting up these connections doesn't just save time, but it also enhances communication within your community. You won't need to manually update everyone because your automation will handle it. You now have a setup that will ensure that any events on your Google Calendar are reflected and managed within your Discord server. Thanks for tuning in and happy automating.